Hello and welcome to our iRacing Essential Software series. In this video we are going to take a look at Discord, its features and why it's a good tool to use in conjunction with iRacing. This video is brought to you by Real Sim Accessories, and you can check us out at simbits4u.com.au. That's Simbits, SIMBITS, the number 4 and the letter U.com.au, and you can reach us via our Facebook page or email at enquiries@simbits4u.com.au. Right, so now that we've got that out of the way, let's just head through and have a look at the website, which is discordapp.com.au, as you can see up here. That'll bring you straight to the download section for the apps, but we'll just go ahead and log in first to the website just to quickly show you their website, because you can do everything from the website except for setting up or connecting to a voice channel, I should say. So you can see here, download the apps from there. You can see where I've got servers set up already, and yeah, it's identical to the app basically. But if we just log out of there again, what we're going to do is go ahead and register an account just to show you the registration process. We won't use that one actually, we'll use this one. So we'll just go through that. So you just get this little get started here. We'll just skip that, and obviously you can go through that if you want. So you can see here you can be asked to add a friend straight up. Your tag consists of your username here down the bottom in the left and your user ID. So mine's #1999. You should find as well, once you've done that, that there's an email in your nominated email address, or email account I should say. Asking you to confirm the email address that you've given to them. There it is, verify the email, so we'll just go ahead and do that. Just right here, verify. And we go through the little Google reCAPTCHA here for them. There we go. It's as easy as that. So there's the user account up and running. So from there, if we click download the apps, you can obviously pick any kind of platform. It's available for Android and iOS as well, which is very handy because you can do the voice chat channels from the apps on your phone. So we'll obviously go ahead and get the Windows version, save that off, and then we're just going to run it. And it's a pretty straightforward install process. Alright, and away we go. So this is my normal account. We're just going to log out of that for a second for the sake of showing you guys everything. And we're just going to log in with the new one that I created. And as you can see, like I said, looks exactly like the website except for missing the button for downloading the apps. So we can either search for a server or add some friends or do some other cool stuff here. So what we might do first is just create a new server to show you how to do that. actually no, we'll go through some options first. So your cog down by your username here, user settings. And then if we go to the voice, the settings of note is here on your input mode. You can hit voice activity, which you use this slider to just dictate to Discord when to kick in the mic channel, just to kind of knock out as much background noise as you can. And then you can also change to push to talk. So basically when you hit that key combination, you'll have an open channel and you'll be talking. Then also in here we've got your input settings here for your devices, so you can change your microphone, change your output devices based on what your computer's got hooked up to it at the time. The other spot's the keybinds. You can see here I've got a toggle deafen, no key set up to it at the moment because I use that on my wheel, but you can set up a couple of keys and would recommend the toggle deafen to set a keybind up to that, because then you can quite easily just hit your deafen key here, just off your steering wheel or something if you like, and you can deafen out the voice channel if you're trying to concentrate when you're driving, for example. Okay, so we're just going to search for and send my regular account a friend's request. So we need to have the ID. So if we just go back here to Discord and going to log into my regular account, just to show you guys how this stuff works from the other side. So if I just go back to my settings here and log out, I can then log back in using my normal account. Okay, so you can see I'm 0602, and if we go back over to Discord here where my test account is, and it is case sensitive too, so just make sure you get your capitals right. So that should send me a friend request straight directly through. So if I go back to the website now to have a quick look, see I've got a pending request there from the new one, so we can just go through and accept that. And then if we toggle back, you'll see in here that I should come up now as a online friend, so then you can go ahead and use it like Facebook and just send a chat message through, and you'll see it coming up there. So that's all great fun and stuff. So where it gets a bit cool though is when we add a server. So if we just go here, we're going to create our own server. And you'll see that you get a voice channel and a text channel straight up. So you can add a new text channel by, you know, just creating a channel name here. Oh, I forgot this, can't have any spaces. And then same thing with a voice channel. And then you can see here I'm connected to a voice channel. You can click and drag, just change your voice channels like that, or then you can disconnect down here where the little exclamation mark is to disconnect. And that thing will keep popping up as you get to know the program. Then if you want to reconnect, you just click on one and you reconnect to the voice channel. You can see that control coming up down here, and you can get connection info, pings and everything. It's good work. So disconnect again. So then if I wanted to get an invite out to this server, okay, I can invite people here. I can copy this. I can set it to never expire or expires after a day, this particular one. So we'll copy that off. And what we'll do is we'll go to my new friend that I've got here, and we'll paste it in. So come and join the channel, and that will obviously automatically join him up through this. From what I understand, if we go in here and have a look, there it is. We can just join the channel. There it is. It pops up on the left of the app there, and now my test account has access to the channel. So then if I wanted to go through again and ban this guy for some reason, then I can go through here in my regular account here and go back to come back to the server here, and then you right click on who's online and you can actually ban or kick. So we'll ban him. You can choose to keep your history or not, and then ban them. And then you'll see the server's removed for me there as well. So it's as easy as that. And you can come back into your test server here if you want, in your server settings, and delete that again. You've got to delete it, enter the server name to delete it. It's as easy as that. So the only other thing to sort of note is your permissions. So if you go to your settings here, you should be able to see. Maybe not, because we're on the web page, so we'll just log out of our little test account here, and we'll log in with our real one. Because then I can show you quickly the settings for the server and the roles. So this is where you can add and remove permissions and roles for people. So you can, not in the add everyone role, but if you add a new role here, you can see that we can change any of these toggle keys and then save the changes to make a new role up and then apply those permissions to people by role. So it's pretty powerful and it allows you to keep a fairly good amount of control over everything. So we can actually just remove this access request that we gave that test account as well if we wanted to. Yeah, it's a great handy tool, and like I say, really powerful for team racing. Really great collaboration tool. So obviously there's far greater uses for it than simulator racing too. But hope you found this informative and handy, and come and check back at our website for other videos in this series, in the Essential Software series for iRacing, or other how-to videos as they come up on the site. Thanks for your valuable time in viewing our video, and I hope you found it useful.